Welcome back, my dear friends, to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing great, enjoying your lives, and you are staying happy, staying safe, and secure. So many prayers and best wishes for you. I know it's been so long that I uploaded my last video. Actually, I was so busy in my household, and during Ramadan, I could not work properly, and after Ramadan, it was Eid, the festival of Muslims, and we rejoice on Eid and we celebrate it with great religious devotion. And after that, it becomes like a festive kind of thing, and people come and go to their relatives. And but due to pandemic situation, on this Eid we could not do anything like that, but still there are some preparations, staying at home, making some special food and special events for the family and special treats for everyone staying at home. So I was so busy in doing these things, so I could not upload a video. Actually, I missed all of my viewers and all of my friends from all over the country who keep watching me and who spread love and happiness throughout and support me and show positive vibes for me. I wish you all the best and all the good things may come to you, and so many best wishes, so many prayers for all of you. In this video, I am showing you beautiful crochet bags, and these are definitely the best ones. You can pick any design and you can make any kind of bag that is best for you. These are so beautiful. If you are a crochet lover, if you are mad for crochet, if you love to make beautiful things, if you are having a plenty of free time and you want to enjoy your free time and you want to actually spend it in something very positive and you want to create some artistic pieces, then this video is surely for you, because you are going to get beautiful ideas of beautiful bags, and these can be made by your own hands. If you are an expert at doing crochet, you can go for these designs and you can pick any one that is the best for you. You can pick any color, and if you are the person who is not expert at doing crochet, still you can do these things. You have to learn from tutorials, and in future I would be uploading tutorials, and I'm trying to work on some creative DIY ideas like making cards, making something like that, and how to do a crochet border for a shawl and other things. So I will be uploading such material soon. I hope you like these ideas. If you like, please hit like and subscribe to my channel to support me, to encourage me. Look at the screens, you are seeing different colors of bag. For example, this one is in a single color, white, and white is always beautiful and gorgeous. In simplicity is awesome. And this one in the Ferozy or sky blue shade with pearls added on the front side is so beautiful. The pearls are adding a stylish look to this bag, and this one is having a leather strap on it. You can add these kind of sub straps, and there is also a tip that if you are having a bag that is no more to be used, for example your old bag or any bag with the broken zippers and so many broken pockets, or the torn out condition but having a good condition strap, so you can just remove the straps from those bags and add to your crochet bags, and it would be again a kind of beautiful piece in your hands. I hope you are liking these ideas. You can add these kind of rings, you can add some flowers on your bags. If you are a simplicity lover, you can make simple bag, and if you are a kind of different person who loves to do ornamental things, you want to make it beautiful, you can add tassels, you can add colored flowers, you can add a kind of buttons. Even you can buy these buttons, and if you are having some extra buttons at your home, you can add those buttons on the bags. You can add some tassels, long tassels or short tassels to the bags, and the tassels or the tags look so beautiful on the bags, and people love to see it and love to wear these. And there are some big bags and some smaller bags. It's up to you that which kind of thing you are going to put in your bag, for which purpose you are going to use it for, and it depends upon. And some people do crocheting for selling purpose. They take orders from companies and make the items, so it's upon the requirement of the company that is giving you orders for making things. Look at this bag, it is having flowers and tassel, and it is looking so beautiful in 3 shades. And this one is actually having a leather strap on it, and this leather strap can be made from any material at your home. You can do these things at your home. You can make the tassels or the rings or these things with the same material that are you using. So I hope you are liking these ideas. These bags are absolutely beautiful and everyone would surely fall in love with these. So let me request you, my dear friends, if you are liking my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you are visiting me for the first time. I'm so thankful to all of you for doing such a great appreciation for me. So my dear friends, one thing is important, that life is so precious. Please stay home, please stay safe, please follow the official guidelines, take and always just take the precautionary measures and keep yourselves and your children secure, home and safe, and take such foods that are good for your immunity, like vitamin C enriched foods and other things, and avoid any kind of things that are not good for immunity, and stop eating unhealthy things, because you are important, you are precious, and you are going to keep yourself secure.